Hello and welcome. This is just a quick unboxing and review of this really cool little webcam that I found online. This is the OBSBOT Tiny. And what this is a very small desktop, like monitor mounted pan tilt zoom camera or PTZ camera. Um, Inside the box that this shipped with was also included a really adorable little tripod with just a pretty standard camera mount on there. Seems pretty sturdy, I have to say. Sometimes you get these little mini tripods and they're kind of flimsy feeling, but this actually feels super sturdy, really high quality. And it also comes with this carrying bag. Inside the box itself, we got this. And I just have to say, this is honestly the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I work with pan tilt zoom cameras pretty much daily at my work, but they're usually a lot larger than this. Like for a size comparison, like here's my computer mouse and here's this camera. And as you can see, it's got the pan, the tilt, and then the zoom. It doesn't have optical zoom, it has 2x digital zoom. On the back, looks like we just got power and USB. I'm actually kind of curious. We'll have to see if it can use just USB power. If it requires a separate power supply, it might. USB Type-C there on the back. On the bottom, we have that hole for the tripod we put here. What's cool about this is that supposedly this camera can follow you as you move around, and it can also read hand gestures, supposedly. We'll have to explore that to tell it to zoom or lock onto a new target or whatnot. So putting that aside though for a second, maybe we'll put them up here. Kind of cute. I don't want to keep them in the picture. What else is in this box? So back here, probably just a power supply. And oh, it looks like we got what's in here. Is that magnetic? Okay, so it looks like this is like a monitor top, and that is oh, that's slick. So this mount that comes with this is magnetic. Let me get that in here. So that clicks in there pretty strong, feels pretty secure. And then this could just go on the top of your monitor as well, instead of having to go onto a tripod or some other kind of holder. Boom. That's actually really slick. I like that a lot. So there's that. And that little mount. And this is probably, if I had to guess, just a USB Type-C cable. Okay, so I'm guessing that this can be powered by just the USB, because it didn't come with a different type of power adapter in the box. Let me just double check here. Yeah, there's no other compartments in here. It does look like underneath inside the box there is documentation in the bottom. You can go through, or I'll go through and just tell you the gist of it. It's in lots of different languages, which is always a good sign. Not just English and Chinese. That means that they can pay for a translations department, so it's more legit. Yeah. So it looks like lens has a built-in microphone. Oh yeah, if I remember right, this little guy has 2 built-in microphones to help do like noise rejection, and it can also capture your voice. Okay, well, let's hook it up and see how these functions work. Okay, we are back. What you're looking at right now is the OBSBOT Tiny Cam, and I've got another webcam pointed at it so you can see what it's doing. As far as gesture control works, I did have to download their software from a really random website. Not a random. It's like it's their website, but it's not the website that's like branded for the camera. It's Remo REMO hyphen AI.com. I mean, if you look on the back of the instruction manual, it is like on the it's trying to find me. And that, my friends, is the first case we've seen of the camera self-following. Hold on, let me reset that. Okay, and that, anyways, just look at the back of the manual, and you'll find the website. Anyways, so gesture controls, they take a little bit of getting used to. So I'm gonna step back a little bit. If you do right hand with an L, it'll zoom in, and it'll blink blue to confirm that understood. And right hand with an L again, it'll zoom back out. It doesn't stop anywhere in between. I'm not sure if that's configurable in their software or not, but as far as what I've got figured out so far, it's just in. Oh, there you go. So pretty cool because I can just do this, and it reads it. There you go. I had to hold it back by my face. I keep trying to like high five the camera, but you hold the gesture back by your face, and you'll understand. And then you've probably already seen this because I just moved earlier, but it does follow you. You have to tell it to lock on to a target, both up. So if I go up, it comes up. If I go down, it comes down, and it follows me. But we have to do it with left hand, and it's left hand specific. You do like a high five by your face. So I just unlocked it so now I can move around. And as I move around, it's not following me. Left hand by my face again. Give me the blue light. So now, if I move around, it should... Oh, didn't catch me at the time. Okay, so now it followed me. And if you saw, it did blink blue there to confirm. So I think this is pretty dang cool. You guys get to see my ugly basement. But, cool technology. A little bit of a learning curve. Do I think you should buy it? $200? Yeah. 1080p resolution. When it zooms in, it doesn't get all grainy. So if I zoom in, you can see a little bit of the grain in there, but it's not too bad. Here's lovely, isn't it? Their software. Let's look at their software now here. Let's tell this guy to stop following me around. Zoom back. That's cool. Got that figured out. So this is the website you need to go to. It's this remo-ai.com. Go to download, and then just Windows or Mac OS. When you download the software, this is what it'll look like. It does have controls, so you can control like the pan and the tilt and zoom. And if you do manually on the zoom, you can, looks like, adjust specifically what range you want between 1 and 2 times. So that's kind of cool. If you come over here to this little nut here, it'll bring up this. Before I was able to get the camera to work, I had to come in here, and where it says firmware version, it said that there was an upgrade available. So I clicked that, took about 5 minutes, and then all the gesture controls were working properly after that. So keep that in mind. You do probably want to download the software and update the firmware before you get too far into using this. I don't know what else I have to say. It's a cool camera. I think this is a really cool piece of tech. I kind of wish the gestures were a little more customizable, because I feel like, if you're in like a call with somebody or you're teaching a class or whatever, like doing this to Zoom, being like, hey, you're all losers. Just, I don't like the L, basically, to do the zooming. Now it doesn't want to do it. There it goes. It's cool. It's definitely cool tech. Should you buy it? That depends. I'm going to be doing stuff personally that requires me to move around a lot, which is why I got this camera, because I don't want to have somebody manually moving a camera to follow me. So it's cool. That's my review. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.